welcome. This is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. This is the next project that I will be working on. Is this gorgeous diamond painting that I got from OneDaySaving. This is Night Wolf. It is a 30 by 40 full square drill, this one. And it is absolutely gorgeous. As soon as I saw it, I thought, wow, that is going to look amazing. Especially in square drills, you're going to get some really beautiful shading. There's 19 different colors in this, so you're just going to get some awesome shading, and you're going to have sort of the wolf's face sort of really come out from the background. It's going to look awesome. Yeah, 30 by 40. It is, I'll do a sticky test. It's super sticky. It's just gorgeous. I love the moon in the background. It's beautiful. Wolf in the foreground, and then you've got this one laying down. I just love it. It's just so pretty. Alright, I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at the drill field. In we go. So it is nice and clear. With all those dark colors, you're going to get a lot of dark symbols with white writing. So it's probably the only thing that's going to, do my head in a bit. But, of course it's going to be like that. So it's just a matter of selecting your color and then tuning out the other symbols. But it shouldn't be too difficult. But the drill field looks really, really good. I can't see any symbols that would cause me any issues. Got your dark grays in there. Black writing, no problem at all to see it. It just looks beautiful. There are two symbol keys, one on each side. And then look at all the dark background. Wow. And you've got like 3 different colors in that background too, so it's going to get some beautiful shading over here. So there's your symbol key. They're all large letters, capital letters, that's what I'm trying to say. Capital letters, and you've got your DMC cross-reference there as well, and there is the thumbnail. But they look really good, no issues with the symbols. So I'll bring you back into the center. Gorgeous. Alright, zoom you back out again. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so I will show you those drills. So one thing I really love is the fact that these drills are in Ziploc bags. I just love it when they do them like that. So I'll just quickly go through these colors. They are well marked. So you've got your numeric order, number 1, and then your DMC color is 452. I think that's how it goes, isn't it? What's number 1? No, that's wrong. I don't know what 1 is. Oh yeah, color 6. Okay. So the 06 is the numeric order on the symbol key. 452 is your DMC. I think that's 1 bag maybe. I don't know. Not sure what that means. But that's all you sort of really need to know is the numeric order and the DMC code. And yes, you do have a lot of black. So I hope they don't have any funny bits on them. Usually with squares, the dark colors can have little bits on the edges, but they look pretty good so far. So you got black, you got some beautiful grays, gorgeous sort of light blue white color, beautiful bluey grays, white, more blue grays. That's gorgeous blue. Blue gray. Gray, 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 gray. Light blue. Blue. It's like a charcoal color, that one. So they look really good from what I can see actually. Blue. Gray, gray, gray. Blue. Nice dark blue. 823 and 939. So that background I would say would be 939, which is a very dark navy blue, and black, which is 310. So it's going to look really cool. Very subtle differences, but very effective. So there you go. There's my beautiful night wolf. I will get started on this pretty quick, and I will come back to you with my review, let you know how I went with it, if I had any issues, etc. So I am going to get started on this, and I will see you on the other side. So doesn't this look awesome? I just love this. I think this came out really beautiful. I love the shading. I love all those dark colors in there, and then you've got those bright bits of the wolves that sort of come out in the moonlight. I think this is absolutely brilliant. And doing it in square drills as well, I think it really kind of gives it that extra finish. I think it would come up good in rounds, but I think the squares just sort of give it that beautiful edge. It is just gorgeous. The drills in this were really, really good. I just had a few reject drills, which you do get with the darker colors. But yeah, the drills were just fantastic. The drill field was very good. I didn't have any popping drills, none whatsoever. So I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at those drills. In we go. And you can see there that you've got all those different drills that sort of make up the shading in his fur and in the background. I really, really like that. It's come up really good, especially the highlights. Very, very effective. So it's come out quite good. You can see how shiny it is, very shiny. And I love how that the wolf down the bottom just sort of comes out of the picture. It's really, really gorgeous. So it looks really, really good. 19 different drills. Looks awesome. I'm zooming you back out again. Yeah, so 19 different colors. So you're getting just some beautiful shading in this. It was just gorgeous. Okay, so I will show you the leftover drills. So I'll pop him there. Okay, so I just kitted my drills up in my favorite containers. These ones I got from Kmart, and they're just these really lovely small screw top containers, and they actually hold quite a lot of drills in there. And that's all my leftovers. So there was actually heaps of leftovers in some and not many in others, which was kind of interesting. The background colors, which is these ones, that one as well. There was heaps and heaps and heaps left over. There's actually, I forgot to bring the little bags over. There's still some left in the bags of those ones. So there's heaps left over in those ones. The lighter colors, lots left over. And the drills, they were really, really good drills. They were just fantastic. There was not many rejects. That was my rejects. So considering there's that many, you know, 939s and 310s, you usually get quite a few that have little funny bits on them. There wasn't that many. So yeah, lots and lots of drills left over. The only one I sort of got a bit close and kind of wondered why I didn't, like there's enough there to use, but yeah, it was a little bit light on that one. And I did use a lot of that color, so interesting. But I had enough, more than enough for the whole project. So look at all those beautiful grays and blues. It was fantastic. Just gorgeous. All right, I'll bring them back to the diamond painting. So that is the Night Wolf. Oh gosh, I love that. Absolutely love it. Now I've just put a little bit of washi tape around the edging there because the adhesive did go out quite a lot, and I was sticking to it and it was super duper sticky. So I just put a little bit of washi tape around there, and I'm thinking, because this turned out so nice, I'd like to frame it. So I'm going to have to find somewhere to find it. I have this corner in my bedroom, and it's like my wolf corner. So all my wolf diamond paintings, I've got them all on the wall there. So I reckon I can kind of squish him in there because he's just gorgeous. I love the colors. I love the shine. I love the drills. It's an absolutely beautiful diamond painting. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending this diamond painting out to me for review. I absolutely love it. It is just excellent quality, and it came up beautifully. I just love it. So thank you, OneDaySaving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!